Hello friends, welcome to Let's Study. Today in this video we will discuss the transformation of sentences as you were saying in the on the screen. So here I have given the part 1 and hope I will continue this series. This will be a massive series. So before transformation you have to know what is transformation. The transformation of sentences means a kind of change from one form to another without any change of meaning. অর্থাৎ সেন্টেন্সের কোনো চেঞ্জ বা পরিবর্তন ঘটবে না। যে সেন্টেন্সেই পরিবর্তন করা হোক না কেন সেই সেন্টেন্সে কোনো চেঞ্জ বা কোনো মিনিংয়ের কোনো চেঞ্জ ঘটবে না। So come to the next slide, and for example, the interchange of active and passive voices, from direct to indirect narration, from assertive to interrogative, from affirmative to negative, exclamatory to assertive, etc., are the examples of transformation of sentences, and there are so many forms. So simple sentence to compound, simple to complex, complex to compound, all are the examples of transformation of sentences. So our today's topic is affirmative to negative sentence. So affirmative sentence means হ্যাঁবাচক বাক্য. Affirmative sentence can be transformed into negative sentence in the following ways. Before change, we should know the negative word is not used in the affirmative sentence, whereas the negative word is certainly used in the negative sentence. So, the negative words will not be used where in the affirmative sentence. But remember, the negative words will be used in the negative sentence. What are the negative words? The negative words are no, not, never, nothing, neither, nor, nobody, none, no one. These are all negative words, and all these words have negative meaning. There will be no change of meaning in both the cases. So, no sentence. So কোনো সেন্টেন্সেরই মিনিংয়ের কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না। So here I have given some examples with rules, and you can see here on the screen. The affirmative sentence can be changed into negative sentence with the help of the opposite word. So first rule, it is the first rule. It is the first rule you have to remember. So the negative words can be formed out of opposite word of the main word. So in the affirmative sentence, here is the example. You can take the example. He is sometimes happy. So it is the main word of this affirmative sentence, and you can change into negative form in this way. He is not always happy. So always is the opposite of sometimes, and here not always means sometimes. So there is no change of meaning. So not always equal to sometimes. Not always equal to sometimes. So there is no change of meanings. As for example, I can give you another example, man is mortal. So this is another example, and you can change into negative form of this sentence. What will be the negative form of this sentence? The negative form of this sentence will be man is not immortal. Man is not immortal. So this will be the negative form of the sentence of the above sentence, immortal. So immortal, immortal, immortal. So immortal is the main word, and what will be the opposite form of this word? The opposite form, the opposite word of the very word is mortal. Mortal is the opposite, and immortal, so immortal to mortal, so and vice versa. So here, if the affirmative sentence take this word mortal, then the negative form will be immortal. So not immortal equal to mortal. So I have to finish here for today's. And if you really if you really like it, then subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification, to get further notification. And if you get benefit from this channel, then do subscribe it. Do not forget to like the video. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Good night.